When I say 12-inch pan, just so everybody's on the same wavelength here, because you'll find some recipes that'll say, hey, get a 10-inch cast iron, we're going to bake a frittata in there, or whatever, right? And you're wondering, oh, it doesn't say on the pan, is it 10-inch, is it 12-inch? Where do you measure from? Do you measure from the bottom? You measure from the top? You always measure from the top, okay? Standard rule of thumb in cookware, it's always measured from the top. You will find that some pans are sloping sides, and some pans are straight up and down sides, right? One of the biggest mistakes in cookware that people make in labeling a type of pan is the sloping ones, you know, with the ones with the sloping sides, right? Those are saute pans. The ones that are straight up and down, like this one here, this is a saucepan. Here's why. Okay, so a lot of people call this a saute pan, and the other one's a saucepan. Incorrect. Here's the logics behind that. So a sloping sided pan, where it's wider at the top and narrow at the bottom because it slopes in, is a saute pan. Because sauteing is hot and you're tossing the ingredients. You know how chefs do that? They take the pan and they're tossing and tossing, right? Because it's hot and quick and you're sauteing. You need that sloping edge in order to flip your ingredients like that in the pan. You cannot do it in a pan like this where it's straight up and down. It won't work. So that's why that one's called a saute and this one's called a sauce. You're never flipping sauce. Think of it that way, okay? And just so many people get that wrong. If that's important to you, then I just cleared it all up for you.